Hi, this is Rajesh. Today we are going to do quadratic equations exercise 5.3. In that eighth problem, that is, a train travels 360 kilometers at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 kilometers per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. So, in this problem, they gave a train travels 360 kilometers at a uniform speed. It means they gave distance covered by the train. So just imagine from here to here is 360 kilometers, and then we need to find speed of the train in the problem. So that only here we don't know speed of the train. So let us consider x kilometer per hour be the speed of a train. At the time taken by the train to cover 360 kilometers with a speed x kilometer per hour will be t1 is equal to time t1 is equal to 360 by x. And also in the problem they gave one condition, that is, if the speed had been 5 kilometer per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. So that only if the speed has been increased 5 kilometer per hour more, at that time speed will be x plus 5. Speed will be x plus 5 kilometer per hour. So for the same journey. So time taken by the train to cover 360 kilometers, when the speed has been increased 5 kilometer per hour more, at that time we will get time t2 is equal to 360 by x plus 5. Isn't it? According to the problem, we can write t2 is equal to t1 minus 1. From this, we can find speed of a train. Now, I will write each and every step clearly, and then we can find very easily speed of a train. First thing, whatever they give, we need to write that thing. So, distance covered by a train. Distance covered by train is equal to 360 kilometers. See, in this problem we need to find speed of a train. We don't know that one. So that only here let x kilometer per hour be the speed of a train. Speed of a train. And then we can find time taken by the time taken by the train to cover 360 kilometers with x kilometer per hour. T1 is equal to 360 by x. 360 by x. If the speed has been increased 5 kilometer per hour more, at that time taken by the train will be, we can write as 360 by x plus 5. So, speed increased 5 kilometer per hour more is equal to x plus 5 kilometer per hour. See here, speed increased 5 kilometer per hour more is equal to x plus 5 kilometer per hour. This is the statement we are writing in the expression. We will get like this. After that, time taken by the train to cover 360 kilometer with x plus 5 kilometer per hour is equal to 360 by x plus 5. Take this one as t2. So this is the time taken by the train when the speed has been increased 5 kilometer per hour more. At that time t2 is equal to 360 by x plus 5. We don't know speed of the train, so we assumed x kilometer per hour be the speed of the train. At that time taken by the train will be T1 is equal to 360 by x. According to the problem, what they mentioned, if the speed had been increased 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. So according to the problem, we can write this one as T2 is equal to T1 minus 1. T2 is nothing but the time taken by the train when the speed has been increased 5 km per hour more. This is the time taken by the train with a speed. So here T2 is nothing but 360 by x plus 5 is equal to T1 is nothing but 360 by x minus 1. Now we can write this one as 360 by x minus 360 by x plus 5 is equal to 1. So from these two things we can take 360 is common. When I take 360 is common, we will get 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 5 is equal to 1. Now here we will get 360 into x plus 5. Now we will get here x plus 5 minus x is equal to 1. See here 1 by x into x plus 5. At that time x gets cancelled. So we will get x plus 5. What is the symbol here? Minus. Next 1 by x plus 5 into x plus 5. So x plus 5 gets cancelled. So we will get here x. Now this can be written as minus x plus x gets cancelled. Now 360 into 5 divided by x into x plus 5. X into x plus 5 is equal to 1. So here 360 into 5, 36 5s 180. So 360 into 5 we will get 1800 is equal to 1 into x plus 5. So here we will get x square plus 5x. This thing after is equal to x into x square plus x into 5x. Now this can be written as x square plus 5x minus 1800 is equal to 0. Now it is in the form of general form of a quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. At that time we can find roots of a quadratic equation by using formula method or else by using factorization method. So before here we can find roots by using factorization. So while we are going to find factorization, take first term and the last term we need to multiply. So we are getting minus 1800 x square. When we take two terms, the product should be equal to minus 1800 x square and the sum should be equal to plus 5x. So here we can write minus 1800 x square as plus 45x minus 40x. So you may have the doubt, sir, how did you get 45 and minus 40? Here we need to find prime factors of the 1800 so that you can find 45 and 40 are the factors of 1800. So we need to get minus 1800 x square, no? So that only here I have taken plus 45x and minus 40x. At the time sum of these two things should be also equal to plus 5x. So that only I have taken like this. Now we can also find roots of a quadratic equation by using the formula, that is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Whenever we are unable to get roots by using factorization method, you can go for formula method, no problem at all. Already I explained in the previous problems how can we find roots of a quadratic equation by using formula. Now here plus 5x we can write as x square plus 45x minus 40x minus 1800 is equal to 0. From this, if I take x is common, x plus 45. From this, if I take minus 40 is common, I will get x plus 45 is equal to 0. Now x plus 45 into x minus 40 is equal to 0. So here x plus 45 is equal to 0 or else x minus 40 is equal to 0. The product of these two things is equal to 0. So this may be 0 or this may be 0. So that only here I have written x plus 45 is equal to 0 or x minus 40 is equal to 0. Now we will get x is equal to minus 45 or x is equal to 40. Here speed of the train always positive number only. So we should not take x is equal to minus 45. We must take x is equal to 40 only. Therefore we can write therefore speed of the train is equal to 40 kilometer per hour.